wife hates mustaches, so I'm gonna film this video with a mustache.
No.
What?
No.
Why?
No.
I'm just gonna film a video real quick. All right, folks, let's talk TikTok. Hey, that sounded cool. So yeah, let's talk about how much I was paid in 2024 on the TikTok affiliate program. This has been an amazing experience for me, at least. I've had tons of ups and downs. I just want to kind of get into the numbers and also kind of my journey through it and what my plans are for 2025 and how to grow it. And also a couple useful tips for you guys if you're just starting out or you've been struggling with the TikTok affiliate program. I have a few things that may help you out and help you gain more sales. So March of 2024 is when I really started the TikTok affiliate program. Back then there was a workaround method, so I got in with 0 followers. My first month I did like $500. These lights, those string lights up in the corner, see up there? That is what made me all that money in the first month. And then of course I get into getting free samples and all that stuff and try to promote different products, and it started doing really well for me. And then by May I hit a $6,300 month, which was my biggest month ever in my life of how much I made. It was absolutely insane to me. It really opened my eyes to what money could be made online, especially with TikTok. And then literally the end of that month is when they started banning all the accounts that did the workaround method. That was just me thinking about how frustrated I was when that happened. So then my account got frozen. I was one of the very few accounts that did not get actually banned. Like it literally just got frozen to where I couldn't add any new products to new videos, but I was receiving commissions still on all the products I had made videos on in the past. So for the following months, I was still making $3,000 to $4,000 per month on commissions on videos I had made a long time ago. Somebody just let their dog poop in my yard. So I'm still making decent money online, but it's not like I'm growing anything. Hi kids, there's a school bus. But it's just kind of at a standstill. But the whole time I was reaching out to different creators asking like, is there a way to get back in? I did the workaround method. I tried to buy an account. That was a scam. Somebody scammed me out of $400 buying a TikTok account. Would not recommend. 0 out of 10. And then I kept going, and then I found some creators who did the workaround method and their accounts got frozen, but then they were able to basically unlink their accounts and then retry to apply back into the program and get in. It was a very small percentage, but some people did. So I was like, oh great. So I was so nervous, obviously, because this was my main stream of income at this point. And so I literally just praying like, God, please let this work. Please let this work. So I go to do it and my account perfectly fine. After I unlinked it from my seller account, if you guys don't know, that's how you did the workaround method. After I unlinked it from that seller account, it was back to normal. Like literally like nothing had happened. I was able to post videos. Nothing was frozen. My commissions were still rolling. I was like, what just happened? And this would have been in October. So then I started just posting as much as I could, quality content. And then I had a video that popped off. It made me $4,000 in a week. It's at like 3-point-something million views currently. And I hit an almost $800 day with that product. Now the product that really did well for me that month was that foot massager that you probably have seen all over TikTok. And that one made me so much money, and it's still making me commissions, which is awesome. And obviously it ramped up because of the holiday sales. And so my total amount of money that I made for 2024 off the TikTok affiliate program was $23,335.11. Now, this might not seem like a lot to some of you guys because a lot of other creators are like, I made $100,000 in my first 1 minute on TikTok. Oh, it makes me so mad. I don't know why people are able to have this kind of success, but for me, that was my absolute best year for making money online, and that really excites me for what 2025 holds. Now, with the TikTok affiliate program, here's a couple things I've learned and things that might help you guys make more sales. Number one is stop trying to sell people things on TikTok. People don't go to TikTok to get sold items. They go on there to be entertained. Like that's the primary reason TikTok exists. And so utilize that to your advantage. For me, a lot of the ones that have done well are the videos that are very non-assuming. So for example, this is the video that made me that $800 in a day. And that's literally just like a fly in the wall type of video, like where you're observing someone else's living room in like a normal life, a normal setting, someone relaxing in the evening. And that video popped off. I did a similar video like that way back, I think it was May, and it was of a neck massager. And that one's at 6 million views. And that one took off so much. And I made thousands and thousands of dollars off that. Those videos do really well, as well as skit videos. So people being entertained and people finding humor in it, that will make them buy something way more than trying to be like, hey, look at this product. This is such a good blanket. It's very fluffy. It's very warm. You can use it anytime. Look how big it is. Instead of trying to do a sales pitch like that, do something like this video. All right, good night, babe. See you in the morning. Sleep good. Oh shoot, my bad. Are you cold? Oh, dang, sorry. Which currently sits at 350,000 views and made me hundreds and hundreds of dollars in its first week on TikTok. So that's honestly one of my biggest video strategies and things I think people need to implement more, because I feel like a lot of new creators don't think of TikTok that way. And I feel like because they're selling something, they got to make like a sales pitch to it. And those videos don't do well. So if you've been noticing low views or not great views, make sure you try to implement those and see if it works for you, because it really has changed the game for me. Second is TikTok has been really pushing and incentivizing going live with TikTok Shop products. And that's something I have not done yet. So that is my goal this year, is to start doing more lives and going live and trying to see if it's really that much of a difference, because I've seen a lot of creators talk about the boost in sales they got from their regular video content as well as their lives, because I think they both play into each other and the algorithm favors the people that do lives, because TikTok really wants to push lives right now. So I'm actually about to start a 7-day challenge where I'm going to go live every day and see how it increases my sales over that week. So if you guys are interested in that, comment below and make sure you guys subscribe, because that'll be coming out in the next like 2 weeks, I think. And the third thing that I think is really important, especially if you just started, don't give up. So many people give up because they'll posted maybe 10 to 20 videos and they haven't seen one take off. Maybe they made one sale and their videos can't get past 200 views. For every 50 to 100 videos you post, you'll have one that actually pops off and does really well and makes you a lot of money. But you have to get those numbers up. TikTok is 100% a game about quantity and consistency to get the sales. Like, that's how it works. You look at any big creator, they're going to tell you the exact same thing. But most people aren't willing to do this. They're not willing to have a week go by and no sales and videos not performing well. But guys, you have to do it. Post 5 videos a day, continually improve your content, improvise, try different things, try new ways, look at different creators, how they're doing it. Keep going, post lots of videos. You're going to hit it if you do that. I like to look at every video as a lottery ticket, and that eventually one of those is going to pop off and you're going to win big. The only difference is the odds actually are in your favor when it comes to TikTok, and they are not when it comes to the lottery. I really hope that that helps you guys. You guys can kind of have a little inside look of what it's really like trying to do the TikTok affiliate program on like a more, I would say, average level. I'm not like amazing. I'd say I'm pretty average for TikTok. I am not one of these creators who has made hundreds of grands and is going to teach you how to make $1 million GMV in your first, 6 months. I'm not one of those people. I haven't hit that yet. I pray that I will. I just haven't hit that yet. If you guys have any questions about the TikTok affiliate program, and maybe I didn't touch on some of the questions you had in your head, or you have some things that you want answered, leave them in the comments below. I respond very quickly here on YouTube. The YouTube app is one of the few I have my notifications turned on. So if you guys leave a comment below, I will reply to you guys quickly. That's all I have today, and subscribe if you want to. I'm gonna go shave my mustache off because my wife hates it.